Okay, we're up on a ice climb called Amy R. Took me a while to figure that one out. We're up Orient Bay. You see the highway down there. We had to come way the heck up.
Reflection Lake.
Reflection Lake in the background there. And this is the climb.
Rob is going to run up like a pro.
Oh yeah. Not an extremely difficult climb, but we chose one close to the road and easier climb today. We're here for the Nipigon Ice Fest. And then after this we head back into town. Whoop. Whooped. Now this should have been my first lead.
This would have been way freaking easier, man.
Yeah.
You gotta admit it, it's a way easier climb. This is way freaking better too.
Ooh. This is actually just perfect for today.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah. Okay, we made it to the top of Amy R. Jesus.
10 times the charm.
I get it one of these times.
Yeah. Hey, girlfriend named Amy? Block it away.
Got a nice view up here of Reflection Lake. Okay, we're here at Hiboy, second climb of the day. A few people up there. Got a steep approach to this one. See how it goes.
That order again? Harness crampons or crampons harness?
Oh, yeah. Ow, ow, ow. Just smashed all my fingers on that one.
Yeah, I gotta enjoy that.
Yeah.
I have a ball, Jason. Yeah, you just go up that way. Yeah, just go up into there. Watch, it's really wet here. It's swamp. Swampsicle up here. Couldn't go over there because those guys are all over there.
Pretty windy there.
Yeah, that corridor shot in the background of the place, eh?
Yeah.
That whole
Yeah.
going through alleyway.
Good. Well, that was a good day of climbing, the Nipigon Ice Climbing Festival. We did MER first, and we just finished Psycho. Really nice climb, nice white ice, soft today. Did one lead this morning and seconded this last climb. Now we're going to head back and check out the gear swap and the raffles and whatever else they got going on.